Hello chefs, welcome back to Close Kitchen. If you're new here, welcome to my kitchen. Please take the time to subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos. Today I'm going to show you how I make my stew chicken. So let's check out the ingredients for this recipe. I have my Tony Cheshire Creole seasoning, some onion powder, some garlic powder. I have some paprika, some Italian seasoning, some dry parsley, some browning, some honey tomato sauce, some distilled white vinegar, and some vegetable oil, some seasoned salt. For my vegetables, I have some onion, 2 potatoes, some thyme, 4 garlic cloves, and some green onions. Lastly, I have 2 chicken breasts. So I'm going to prep my vegetables. I'm starting off by finely chopping my green onions. Then I'm going to finely chop my garlic. Let me know in the comments below if you use a lot of garlic when you cook. I'm using my Vidalia chopper to chop my onion. I have prepped all my vegetables and placed them in a bowl. Moving on to my potatoes, I'm going to cut them into small pieces. And I'm going to place them in a bowl with cool water. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever made stewed chicken. Next, I'm prepping my chicken breasts and I'm going to cut them into small pieces. Once I'm done, I'm going to place them in a bowl in a vinegar and water solution for about a minute. I have washed off the vinegar off of my chicken, so now I'm going to cover my chicken with my dry seasonings. Then I'm going to spread the seasonings throughout the chicken. Then I'm covering my chicken with half of the chopped vegetables. And I'm also adding some paprika, as well as a teaspoon of browning. And I'm also going to mix all the ingredients together, making sure to spread the browning throughout the chicken. Then I'm going to let it rest to absorb all those flavors and spices. While the chicken is marinating, I am preheating about 1.5 teaspoons of vegetable oil on medium heat. I'm adding the remainder of the chopped vegetable as well as the thyme. I'm allowing the vegetables to cook until they are soft and translucent. Now I'm adding the marinated chicken. I'm allowing it to cook until the chicken is no longer translucent and is firm. Next, I'm adding 1/2 cup of the tomato sauce, as well as some water to cover the chicken. I'm allowing it to cook until the sauce starts to thicken. I'm giving it a quick stir. And it is just about ready for the potatoes. I'm adding my chopped potatoes. As well as enough water to cover the potatoes. I'm going to cook it covered until the potatoes are cooked. So guys, it is finally ready to be served. So I ate my stewed chicken with some white rice and some corn. I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.